Samsung's interactive display makes it effortless for teachers to share their PC or laptop screen on the board. On PCs or laptops with Windows 10, you can press the Windows logo key and the letter K to access the devices you can connect to. Once you locate your interactive display on the list of Miracast devices, select your interactive whiteboard's name. If your device had been pre-configured to auto-accept the device, the connection will be complete. If not, you'll need to click Allow on the prompt. Once connected, you'll be able to pull up your PowerPoint lesson plan on your computer and show it to the entire class in seconds. This technology was designed to support teachers and their current tools, rather than give them more work to do, because we all know they have enough on their plates. In fact, the Samsung interactive display can connect to just about any device, wirelessly with features like AirPlay and SmartV+, or wired through the many ports on the display. Increase classroom engagement and student outcomes with the tools designed with teachers for teachers.